Let's talk about COVID right now, and hospitals across the country sounding the alarm about the virus. A lot of unvaccinated Americans, I should say, are getting sick. COVID cases have spiked more than 75% nationwide. In Texas, hospitals are facing a double crisis: soaring patient loads and reduced staff. Some smaller facilities are now temporarily closing to reallocate some of their medical workers.
If you go into the hospital today, you're in a worse situation no matter what disease you have.
About half of Americans are fully vaccinated right now, as some businesses and municipalities, like the city of Tucson, Arizona, for example, now moving to mandate shots for all of their employees. And the CDC is now recommending a third dose for some 7 million immunocompromised people to make sure they are protected from this COVID Delta variant. U.S. Customs and Border Protection officers have seized thousands of counterfeit COVID-19 vaccination cards in Memphis, Tennessee. Hundreds of them in just one night. The cards originated in China, and officials say they were being routed through Memphis to cities across the country. The FBI is warning that buying or selling these fake vaccination cards is against the law and can get you up to 5 years in prison. And here in Indy, Christ Church Cathedral on Monument Circle is now switching all of its services today to online only. That's after a member of their clergy tested positive for COVID-19. Earlier this week, the church decided to go back to pandemic protocols to slow the spread, including social distancing, mask mandates, and no singing by the congregation indoors. Live Nation says it's now going COVID compliant. The massive live entertainment company says starting October 4th, you're going to have to show proof of a COVID-19 vaccination or have a negative COVID test to be admitted to its venues and its festivals. And so will the artists, along with all Live Nation employees.